In this video we are going to improve this code in order to make it more better and show more information. If you remember from the previous video, if you execute this application, okay, this is what you get, all these records, but there are several things that I would like to improve. The first thing is about there are some records that I don't want to show. For example, when the company is not shown on the record, is not available, I would like to remove these records, and also I would like to show the date instead, this information that I don't have in the record set. And also there are some tags that I have on the data set that I would like to show. So let's see, let's start, and the first thing is here. What I'm going to do is to, when the company is not available, what I'm going to do is to skip that record. Okay, so for that what I do is to, if it contains something, then begin, okay, and then I actually do the code. Okay, so now if I stop and run, I shouldn't get these records anymore. Okay, so it actually now looks better. More things that I would like to see is about it's about the date, but I would like to show it as here. I'm going to show it here. I'm going to make it instead this one. I'm going to use another icon for it. Okay, and I'm going to place here the placeholder. I'm going to remove these ones because I don't need them initially. Okay, and to comment, you can comment lines using Shift, Command key, and 7. Okay, and now I need to place there the date field. Okay, again, stop and run and see how that works. Okay, I have here this label with the information I need. Okay, oh sorry, I made a mistake here. Said click instead clock. This is why the icon was not showing for it. Okay, here is the icon. Okay, and now the last thing I'm going to do on this video is to access. There is a, if I check the actual data, the connection, I need to copy this and open a browser for you to see it. Okay, there are some tags, and this is an array in JSON. At this moment there is no built-in support in order to get that information using Pascal, so we need to use JavaScript, but in any case it's quite easy. Okay, so don't worry about it. I'm going to add some variables for that. Check. I'm going to add first tags, a JavaScript array. Okay, JS array, and then a row into JS value. Okay, and I'm going to be formatting the tags as HTML, so I'm going to hold that here, and then an individual tag is going to be placed here. Okay. So what I need to do in order to access that information. Well, the first thing is for every iteration, okay, what I'm going to do is to access the row of the dataset, the current one. This is this way. This is how I can do. This is actually an array of all the field values. Okay, and now I need to use ASM. Okay, this is the way for you in order to write JavaScript. I'm going to get the tags. Remember, this is JavaScript code. Okay, tags. Okay. So now in tags, what I have is a JavaScript array with all the tags that for that specific record. Okay, so now I'm going to format everything, tag text, and then I'm going to add a new variable for this. Excuse me again. I'm going to be adding again using format, and I'm going to add as a parameter here first the string, and then as a parameter is going to be the tags in that row. I'm going to be using the J counter, and for that I'm going to be using this HTML. Okay, step new is going to be the text for the tag. Okay, so here is the parameter. Okay, so in short, what I'm doing is to access the tags array that comes in the current record, and then what I do is to iterate that array in order to get the HTML for all the tags for that position. And then what I'm going to do here is to place them here. I'm going to be adding here another parameter, and I'm going to be, it's just right after the date, I'm going to be adding the tag text. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so these are all the tags for that specific position, and they are formatted properly using the current style and all that, as you might expect. Okay, and also if you click anywhere here, what you do is to open a new tab with the link that allows you to apply to that specific position. Okay, thank you.